You gotta be a chicken.
Okay, that was mine. Be gentle.
Hello everyone!
Hey, how's it going, people?
We're back again.
Yes, and we are at my parents' farm.
That's right.
But before we get into the farm, we gotta cross the gate, cross the bridge.
We crossed the bridge when we get there. Yeah, so
be
we
careful.
just arrived.
Be careful, there's no handrail.
Oh, I know. So, see, so that's that. We just arrived right now and we're going inside. Hey, wait for me. Okay, I'm gonna come.
Before,
Hey, come here.
you might think it's scary, but before, it was just bamboo sticks.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
This is like a huge upgrade.
This is a big improvement. It's metal now.
So this is my parents' farm. These are the mango trees, but unfortunately there are no mangoes. And I don't want to get near any of these trees because last time they said there was like a poisonous snake up in here. So.
Oh, really? So those are fish ponds. There's a lot of fish there. Here's a duck. A duck.
So these are the fish ponds, but
Okay.
I feel like they got dried up. They don't have any fish.
No, they said they have. They have fish. And here's another one. There's duck there too.
Oh, the ducks are done with their swim.
Oh, they're done with their swim. Yeah, that's right. Look at them. They come out. They want to welcome us. Hello, ducks. I want to bring them and be our pet.
Okay, I guess we gotta like chop it up so it can fit in our bag.
Ah!
I think the brown one's the leader, so if you try to like catch the brown one.
Can you catch them?
Come here.
What's the sound of the duck again?
No, that's. I don't know. Just go. Back. You go. Just go slowly and then like both hands on the wings and then pick it up. Go. You know how to grab a duck. Hey. There you go. Nice coming.
Hey.
I just want to be your friend. Oh.
There's chickens too.
We are among. Hey, wait, back up. I don't back up so they can get the food. I just want to be your friend. I feel like that big one's gonna bite me.
I know, right? I'm so like.
No, man, you're too. Hey! Come to Tito J. Don't come to
Hey!
mean, nasty Cheryl. But
Why am I nasty? Why they're not like, they're ignoring us? Because they're too busy with their food.
no, this is what you do. You gotta leave a rice trail.
Hey! They don't see it because they're too busy there.
It's like you're catching James Wood with pieces of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. And then the ducks will be like, ooh, piece of kanin. Ooh, piece of kanin.
Sa kanin.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
There. Aww.
They're not coming.
They're not coming.
Yeah, because they know that you're the mean one.
They know I'm the main
Okay.
one.
Okay, lower your hand.
They're biting the other. You see, they're biting the other.
Yeah, I'm done.
He's biting his
That's
butt.
the bully.
It's bully, you see
This
that?
is the bully.
It's the bully one. I know.
This is the proper way to catch a duck / chicken.
Okay.
To catch the chickens, you have to be the chicken.
You gotta be a chicken. It doesn't look like they believe you are a chicken.
I'm your friend.
They seem like
Oh,
Oh my goodness, what happened? Oh, they're courting each other, but they're fighting.
See, look, you gotta be slow, gentle. Yeah, you took my chicken. I mean, my duck. I don't want that big ugly one. Get out of the way.
I know, I don't want the ugly one, the big one. I think it's a male.
Or it could be an ugly woman. Anyways. Okay, that was mine.
What?
Ah. Right, man.
It's gonna be my pet. Gonna bring it into Davao. You wanna come in Davao?
Give us some rice.
No, I'm gonna bring it.
He's clearly like not happy.
Is that happy?
Look at the fear in his eyes.
Oh, is that happy?
Yeah. Hey, he's just trying to eat. Then now you
Like,
just come and grab him. No, just cut the dick. It's okay. My daddy is the owner of you.
oh, your friends.
Baby at saka pato pala yan.
Hello, kitty. Kitty, hello. Hey. Hey.
They're so skinny.
They're so skinny, yeah.
You need some milk? It's okay, we're your friends. We're your friends all the way from Canada. I'm gonna be very gentle with you, okay? I just want to give you a touch. I just want to touch you in your cute little head. Can I do that? Can I just pat you in your cute little head? Not you. Not you with the weird thing on your nose.
Go get the papaya.
I want papaya.
Yeah.
Sure?
Yes. Ooh, be careful of that white thing.
I don't know.
Masarap na yan. Yung mas malaki. Pwede yun. Mas malaki.
Yeah. You wanna come with us? You wanna come with us as we explore?
They're calling us.
You wanna come with us? My friend? Are you my friend?
A video.
Or you don't wanna come to me?
I wanna come to you.
Maybe not. I just got
Oh, look what he's doing.
lots of scratching post.
Scratching post.
Just don't rub them like in their sensitive areas.
So we are now leaving the farm. We got our 2 papaya. The first one we got, like, the duck ate it, so we just give it to duck anyways. And yeah, this is Jake.
I'm papaya cooking.
What is that?
I'm cooking papaya.
What are you doing?
I'm being crazy.
Okay, see you, thanks. Oh my gosh. Hey, don't do that, can you go? Hello everyone.
Hey guys,
We're
we're here. Well, we're also out of breath because what did we just do?
Zumba!
And where did we do it?
with
No, we did it in the cemetery.
Oh yes, cemetery.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
That's
Zumba
right.
in the Philippines. Because the dead needs to dance too.
Yes.
Here's our instructors.
With the Zumba Sisters.
These are the Zumba Sisters.
Hi! We are
Hello.
Zumba Sisters! And... Hello guys!
This is Joy.
I am Joy! This is Joy! Zin and...
Sisi Kani.
And what's your,
finish
I
our
don't
Zumba.
name the channel.
Ayan.
What's the channel?
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel too. And Shopee Sisi and or search niyo po ang Zumba Sisters.
Link down below. Also comment down below if you want to go on a date with these sisters.
Yes! We're sisters! We have Joy and Jay and Cheryl. Yes, please subscribe them too to their YouTube channel.
You heard them. They subscribe. You guys subscribe too. Hit that like and subscribe button
Yes!
for more content in the Philippines.
Yes!